Hi, I'm Charlie from MoonHopper Games. We specialise in wargaming models, tools and supplies. We also sell 3D models for printing online. We are starting to print high quality small tools for the hobbyist and have a number of things under development at the moment. One of these is our Foamex jig. This is a simple plastic tool that can be used to put holes accurately in Foamex boards so that magnets can be inserted and glued in, allowing the modeller to join the scenery boards together in order to form different tabletop layouts from a finite set of boards. The good thing about rapid prototyping using additive manufacture is that we can turn around our designs quickly and test these properly with different print materials before we commit to the final design. For example, these jigs here have been made with PETG, which you'd ordinarily find on the shelf as plastic bottles. This is a highly recyclable material which can be remelted and extruded through the 3D printer in order to form a hard-wearing, practical item. This is ideal for our purposes. We've joined MyPrintPod because we share the same view that we need to be using more sustainable materials that can be sourced easily with minimal impact on the environment. Using a service like MyPrintPod means that we can turn around parts quickly to order and on demand.